Got you back. We're leaving Separation Creek on the way to Apollo Bay on the Great Ocean Road, Great Ocean Parade. I've got me partner on me back. I mean, well, not in a bad way. Yeah, not on me back. I've got me partner in the back. I don't know if you can see her in the video. If you can see her in the video. There she is. Oh, I can see her. Not sure you can see her. There she waved. Partner in the back. And leaving Separation Creek, Apollo Bay. Did I say that? Just to be sure. Check out the views, eh? Nice views. Alright, let's catch up to the other folk. Looks like fire's been down this way too, look at that. You got charcoal trees. Oh, it looks like they've done something to the sides. See the sides of the hill? They're like tied down or something, or padded down. Padded down or something. Yeah. To stop debris. To stop the debris, you see. To stop the debris from falling. Well, that's clever, isn't it? Come on, Jaco. Alright, the road's clear, but it's too much of a bend. Someone could speed around there. That wasn't open. He didn't take it because it wasn't open. Oh, it's open now, and he's giving me. Oh, he's giving it to me. He gave it to me. Bloody brilliant. Nice. Taken. Now taking the corners we are. But geez, I don't know these corners that well. I can't predict them, that's for sure. So I just have to go as fast as I can see, because I can't really, I don't think I can predict these corners. Just adjusting my camera. Sweepers. Oh, I love these seaside runs. Spectacular. Just awesome. There's a corner, Cindy. Get a grip. Here we go. There was the braking. Alright. Any more braking? I sort of got to do the great braking gradually, otherwise I'll end up with a body on the front tyre, if you know what I mean, or end up doing an endo. Alright, we're at Kennet River. I'll check my camera. I've got this suspicion it's not straight. Problem is though, every time I look at the camera I'm taking a bend. Oh, here we go, we've got it straight. Here we go. Now let's see if it's straight. Yeah, it is straight. Alright, good. There you go. Alright, so this is, what's this? Kennet River. And we're leaving the zone, so let's leave the zone now. Good day. Let's go. Oh, look at those trees, they're blocking the bloody view, seriously. Oh, what a spoiled far out. Come on, grass cutters, get with it. Blocking the bloody view. Oh, look at that view, eh? Oh, look at that. Look at that bend. Whoa. Nice. this, folks, is what you call a camel, a city camel, who puts the brakes on when there's nothing around and freaks you out. Oh, look at that camel, almost came to a stop. Jeez, this one must be an Asian camel, I reckon. Let's have a look. It's an Asian camel. Yeah, Asian camel, and the worst kind, the female. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm not allowed to be sexist. Oh, jeez. Well, you know, it's just a stat. That's all it is. It's nothing to do with sexist or anything, or racist. You know, you spend 9 years couriering, and I tell ya, yeah, look. No, seriously, no racism or sexism here, but just a stat, just something I've observed. And when I was couriering, I tell you, every time I saw something like that, and I thought, I wonder what kind of driver that is. I tell you, without fail, the worst kind, I'll give you the order. This is the order that I found. The worst kind is clearly the female Asian. I'm sorry if you're female Asian and you're hearing this, but that's the stat. That's what I found. That's what the numbers say. And after that was female. Yeah, it was female. And after that was perhaps a male Asian, or maybe. Nah, not really. Actually, you know what the order is? The order is female Asian, female, and then after that is teenager, like hoon, you know, like, yeah, that's the order. Hoon, teenager, young folk, you know. There you go. That's what the stats say. I'm sticking with it. Well, sticking with it. I mean, I can't. That's what I observed. The stats were. So, you know, how can you not stick with it? That's what the numbers say. There we go. Right, our turn. Now we'll go nice and easy, just in case there's some loony coming the other way who missed the light, which I reckon can happen. What are they doing? They're making the bridge. Oh, okay. They're making it so there's less of a dip here, so the bridge will be higher. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, here we go. Back in the zone. Bit of road, eh? I wonder if Cindy's liking this, or freaking out like a gorilla without a banana, you know? You ever seen that? A hungry gorilla without a banana? Far out. Do they freak out? Especially if they can see it in their sights. Oh, they freak out. Bananas. Oh, top of the mountain now. Ah, this is where I can sing that song. Up and away, flying TAA, the friendly way. See, I worked out the words thanks to MDVG. No, I don't know. I think his name's Mark. And MVDG is like his email's abbreviation or initials. Yeah, thanks to him, he found the TAA commercial from back in the late 70s. Because I was trying to remember the words, because the original song is up and away in my beautiful balloon. You know that song? And then what TAA did, the airline, it was an airline, right? They came in and took that beautiful song and turned it to, you know, smithereens with up Up and away, flying TAA, the friendly, friendly way. You know? And then it goes on something about there's beautiful girls serving you whatever you like. And they'll give you a pillow and smile and be just as nice as you like. I'm serious, look it up. It's so corny. But back in the 70s, I'll tell you, that was a hit. I mean, that's all there was. There weren't no iPods or iPads or other crap. There was just streets, bruises, scars from knees, bikes, skateboards perhaps, and more bruises and sunburn and scratches. And when you sat in the lounge all bruised up and nowhere else to go, it was a pleasant thing to hear that TAA commercial. It was just so, oh, another world, wow, yeah, that'd be fantastic, you know? That's what it was like. Oh, look at that bend, eh? Oh. Bend it like a beamer. Forget Beckham, that's for ball games. When you're on a bike, you want to bend it like a beamer. You know, and you know, it applies, you know, it's fitting, because I don't think anything bends like a beamer, you know, really. The low center of gravity stuff on this bike, you know, if you think about it, just from an engineering perspective, numbers wise, nothing is going to bend like a beamer. I don't care what bike you got. I don't think nothing's got a gravity as low as this. I know Ducatis has got like a well balanced bike, but the gravity on that is not as low as this, mate. Not as low as this. And that's why I say bend it like beamer. Pretty awesome. So you can't bend it like Yami. Yami's, well, I had a Yami and it was high weighted. The weight was high. So you can't bend it like Yami. You can't bend it like Jappy. Did I have a Jappy? Yeah, I think I had it. Yeah, I had a Quickest Fucky. I mean, Quickasaki? Yeah. I had one of those. And, they're alright, but their weight's still high. You know, it's not as low as the beamer, mate. It's not as low as the beamer. So the cornering's not going to be as effortless as this sort of stuff, you know. The Quickasaki will sort of take you into the corner. You know, you don't want that unpredictability, you know. You don't want that taking into the corner. The corner's already taking you in there. You want the bike to be doing that as little as possible, not taking you into the corner at all. You want the bike to just sit there, nice and balanced and low weight, and not dipping you further into the corner, you know? That's what you want. And that's why you can only bend it like a beamer. Hey look, we caught up to someone. What have we got here? It's like Uber Eats. Nah, they wouldn't be out here. Yeah, that's not Uber Eats. They got a passenger, or was that baggage? Looks like baggage or a dead body. Could be a dead body. Looks like a head and it's all packed up. Let's have a look. And he's wearing runners and fucking. Oops, sorry, beg your pardon. Family show. He's got no socks on. I can see his ankles. He's wearing flimsy runners. Yeah, flimsy runners. And what else can I complain about? Oh, this guy's got South Australia plates or something. He's touring with nothing but his scrappy old shoes. Look at that. Oh, he's from Queensland. He's touring with nothing but his scrappy old shoes. Look at that, hey? Alright, I'll bring you back on another vid, eh? We're nearly there.